What's up, everybody? This is Yeehaw. Gonna try to bring a little turkey hunt today. Unfortunately, we stuck in the rain. I've always wanted to try to hunt in rain for the turkeys. I know there's been times that I would pass the fields and see turkeys in them. You don't really hear many people talk about, hunting turkeys in the rain. For one, a lot of people don't like hunting in ground blinds. So, unfortunately, that's what I'm in today. So, we're gonna try to sit tight, guys, and see if we can get Big Tom out here. So, I know they say that turkeys don't like to be in like the wooded areas. They like to be more in the open, in the fields and pastures and stuff like that. So, we're gonna sit tight, guys. I got 3 hens out, and it's supposed to be raining up till 1 o'clock. So right now it's a little after 7. So I think it's like 7:20. So we're gonna sit tight, guys, and hopefully get one today. We're gonna see what happens, guys. So. Alright, guys, just to give you a update of what's going on. After the rain had slacked up a little bit, of course, it's still raining and everything, but it slacked up just a little bit. It was more like a heavy mist going on, and this hen had come out after about 3 or 4 minutes after I got done calling my little sequence just now, and I knew it wouldn't be long that if that hen came out, then I knew the toms would eventually make their way into the field, because I always was told, the rain dripping off the trees, that messes up the turkeys' hearing, so they try to be out in the open. So here I am, just waiting. If I knew that hen came out, I knew it just a matter of time that, if there was a tom was around, he would be out in the field. So, unfortunately, this hen stays out for a little bit, and then it picks up a little bit more, guys. You'll see. Here's your boyfriend. Hey, boyfriend, come over here with you. Well, guys, just an update. It's a little after 8 o'clock, I think. 7:59 right now. I had just heard 2 gobbles. I've got a hen in the field. She's been in here about 15 minutes now, and I just heard another gobble. I don't know if y'all heard that. I've done heard 2 different gobbles at 2 different ends of the field. However, one was still in the woods. The other one, I think, is on the edge of the field, but he's still behind a bunch of the dog fiddles and everything. So I'm gonna turn y'all around and see what happens, guys. So that tom sounds like he's moving in, at least one of them, because I just heard him get closer. So hopefully it starts cranking up. I came out here last time and that hen was out here for about 45 minutes, and when that tom started strutting, that hen went to him. So we'll see what happens, guys.
Alright guys, so it takes this Tom to get in every bit of 20 minutes to get in. So once he gets in, he don't do no strutting. That's the weird part. I thought, you know, Tom was strutting in the rain, but evidently he was real afraid to for some reason. But he just comes and stands at the back of this decoy for the longest, and I was trying to get as much video as I can, see if he was going to strut, you know, but never did strut for me, guys.
Double beard? No.
So guys, after he steps in for about 15-20 minutes just doing what he is right here, just standing there, as you can tell the rain's coming down even harder now. He's just been standing out there so long. I decided to go ahead and take the shot on him since he ain't going to do anything else.
What y'all think about that? Hot dog! Boy, this season, this turkey season, y'all, man, that joker, it ain't been no joke for me, guys. I haven't heard the first gobble all year, and the spots I hunt, and this morning, man, it's in the low 40s. And it was raining pretty good this morning. It wasn't no like pour down, but it was raining pretty steady. And, which I don't know if y'all can see in the camera. And as soon as it died down, I tried doing my calling, and a hen came out. So I waited about 10 minutes. She stayed in the field. So I said, well, let me see if I can do a little bit of clucking or yelping and see if, you know, she'll stay in the field. Well, all she did was just pick up her head while I was calling, and she went on about her business in the field. And then next thing I know, I hear one gobble to my left, one gobble to my right. I was like, hot dog, I might get something here today. Well, needless to say, next thing I noticed, that Tom came out from the side of the field over there where I've seen him come out at. And it took him about 20 minutes to get over where he's at now. But I thought he was going to strut or something. And that's why I was waiting so long to get some good footage. But he never strutted. He just stood it by that hen for a long time. And, of course, that hen, she took off as soon as I shot. But I'll take off too. Somebody shoot at me. But anyway, I do want to thank the Lord. Man, the Lord's letting me know I've been after this for a while now. And we finally got it done. I thank the Lord for that. So, however, I do know there's another Tom around here somewhere. So, I'm going to go get him. The rain's going to start coming down again. And go get him. And I'm going to wait a little bit longer, guys, and see what happens.